Okay, today I'm going to make an elastic belt. I've made one of these before. I lost the first one that I made, I think on the subway. Somewhere, somebody on the New York City subway has a new awesome elastic belt. So I need to make another one for myself. So what I have is only basically 3 things you need to make this belt. One is piece of elastic. This is a 1-inch elastic. This is about 40 inches long. This is good for a belt that ends up being about 21 inches up to about 39 inches on your waist. So it's a huge size range that you can get out of one belt, which is awesome. So the 3 things you need are the elastic, a G-hook to hook the belt, and a slider. Those are the 3 pieces that you need for the belt. First step I'm going to do is just take the edge, fold it once, fold it again like a little sandwich, and I am going to basically just sew that down with a 3 or a 4-point zigzag stitch. And I go back and forth a few times, it's a small area, so just go a few times. You really want to reinforce that. Okay. Looks good. So we have this little sandwichy part there. This is where the G-hook is going to attach in here. So on this other side now, first we put the slider in here. 1, 2. And make sure you have the front of the belt. So you're going to know the front now from this end. It's going to be folded on the back side. So this is the front side of the belt now. So we make sure that the slider is facing the front side of the belt. And then from there, put on the G-hook now. Just goes right in there. Like that. So we have the slider, and then we have the G-hook here. Take this end, and this actually is going to go, pick this up on the slider. This is going to go in and under the slider. And then back down again. So you can kind of see there's like a lot of loops happening in there. So this is the main outside of the belt. We just kind of put this in the center of the belt here. And we're going to finish this edge similar how we finished that first edge. You fold it under once, and then we're going to sew that little sandwich that we have going on there where the slider is. Okay, and I just finished sewing this spot here. I gotta finish the threads, but that's basically it. The belt is basically done besides some finishing touches. So now you can see how it comes together here. That's the belt, and then you've got the adjuster here, so you can adjust, make it super tiny. Boom, now we got a tiny belt. That's the magic of the adjuster. So now this belt from a 40-inch piece of elastic can now go from about a 21-inch waist, which is going to be when it's all the way doubled up about here, like this. And it can go all the way up to a 39-inch waist. So it's pretty awesome. The size is really variable just in one belt, which is really awesome. And that's it. Now all I need to do is finish these loose threads from the 2 places that I sewed, and it's ready to wear. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make yourself your own awesome elastic belt. Please subscribe and like this video and share it with all your awesome friends that also like DIY projects. Thanks for watching.